Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mango sorbet without honey. Start by selecting 3 to 4 ripe mangoes, peel and dice them, then chill the fruit well. Make a simple syrup with equal parts water and sugar to replace honey, then combine syrup, mango, and a squeeze of lime. Blend until smooth, churn or refreeze while scraping every 30 minutes, and serve scoops when firm and scoopable. In this video, I will explain how to make mango sorbet without honey. Measure ingredients precisely: 3 to 4 ripe mangoes, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water, and 1 tablespoon citrus juice. Heat sugar and water until dissolved to make simple syrup, and cool it completely before mixing with mango puree. Chill the mixture thoroughly before churning to improve texture, then freeze until scoopable for a refreshing, dairy-free dessert. In this video, I will review how to make mango sorbet without honey. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while your sorbet chills, with a glare-free screen and long battery life making recipe waiting times fly by. If you want one, check the description for the link and deals, and if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you make mango sorbet without honey. Blend mango until perfectly smooth, and taste before adding more syrup because fruit sweetness varies. Use an ice cream machine for best results, or freeze in a shallow pan and stir every 20 to 30 minutes to prevent large ice crystals. Store in an airtight container and press plastic wrap onto the surface to keep sorbet fresh and scoopable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.